In this video, I'm going to show you how to use indicators in MetaTrader 5 mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the charts tab at the bottom, and then when you tap on this, as you can see at the very top, there's going to be a few buttons. Now, the second one is the one you should be looking for. So this one I'm tapping in the top right now, just above the quantity. So when you tap on it, it's going to open up indicators on your chart. Now here, it's going to say main chart, and you can just tap on either that or the where you can see like the F button at the very far right where you can see the plus next to it, so tap on that. And from here you can see all the indicators available. So there's a bunch of different ones. You simply have to find the one you want. You want to tap on it. I'm gonna go with Bollinger Bands, and then of course you can basically set different parameters, levels, time frames, styles, stuff like that. Whenever you're happy, tap on save at the top right, and then if I go back out, as you can see, Bollinger Bands have now been added to my chart. So that's basically how to use and add indicators. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.